Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a finished diamond painting to share with you guys. This is one that I purchased myself from FGNormal a while ago, and Madison has completed it. I think it's been completed for a little bit. I just haven't had the chance to film it yet. And it's going to be hard to share with you guys because this is one of the 115 centimeter long paintings. So I will insert a picture of her holding it up so you guys can see the completed painting because it is super long, but it is super adorable. As you can see from the leftover drills, really bright, cheerful colors. And we do have extras in all of our drills. We did not run out of any colors. She was complaining a little bit because the drills were sliding. So the glue was not super awesome, but it has been sitting here in a pile with my other paintings. And we have not had any issues of drills falling off. As I see that, there's white one on the end that's sliding away. But I think it turned out so cute. So here is the first pony up here. He's a Pegasus, actually. You can see his wing. The rainbow's going across the clouds. So cute. There's our second one. You can see his wings a little bit better because he's orange and his wings are white. The last one has a cute little crown and the wings. And then we have some flowers. And a drill just came off. So as you can see, yes, issues with the drills, the stickiness of the canvas actually. I would say that it wasn't thick enough. So it's one of those ones that the glue is spread on pretty thin. So it's not as thick and it doesn't grab them as well as it should. So when you are putting them on, they slide around, of course. And as they're doing now, they stick to you and come off. So this is definitely one that once you complete it, you want to frame it. You want to put it behind glass. Like now I'm noticing. I would hope. So if somebody tries to find this painting to purchase, you can check out FGNormal. Again, they're not always the same when you order them. So mine may not have good glue on it, but yours might. So I don't know. It's up to you. But again, the image is super cute. It was the 25 by 115 centimeters. So a different size of painting. The sparkle is really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera there. And again, lots of leftover drills. Just with the one that we received, the glue was not that great. Otherwise, it's so cute. All right, so that's the only one I have to share with you guys. Again, this was FGNormal where this one was purchased. I will try and link it down below if it's still available, and I'll have the link to the unboxing for you guys. So that is it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.